We're about 3 weeks into the new year, and some of you might still be thinking about how to make 2026 an awesome year for you and your loved ones. Don't worry, lifestyle expert Denise Wild is here to help us out. Welcome again.
Thank you, Rick. Great to be here.
One of the keys is, new month, new year. How do we get organized?
Okay, so this is my tip for organizing at home. Let's just take it small and focus on little areas. Maybe it's that junk drawer that you have at home, or maybe it's a pantry shelf. Instead of being overwhelmed by the task, just tackle one area at a time. We're cleaning, purging, sorting, and then it'll be less overwhelming if you're just tackling little areas. Look at this junk drawer. Get it all sorted and organized. Little containers, my favorite thing to do.
Wow, this looks fantastic now. So start small and then work your way to little projects.
Yeah, just little projects here and there that'll take you through the year, and don't feel like you need to do the whole house at once.
Nice, great tip. Okay, so there's busy households out there. Eating on the go is a thing, and it's not going to change because there's a new calendar.
Right, absolutely. And eating well is just about making those better for you choices.
Yeah.
And at Subway Canada, they've made it easy. They have a new Fresh Fit menu with 5 6-inch subs, all with 21 plus grams of protein, each under 500 calories. They've reimagined the fan favorites like rotisserie style chicken and turkey. They've got fresh veggies, Canadian cheddar, all on multi-grain bread. So it's just about, celebrating that everyday athlete in you, making those smarter choices, and they're affordable, they taste good, so, easy to make those choices.
Funny that you said athlete in you, because little known fact, I had Subway on every Ticats road trip back in the day.
See,
so
exactly, exactly.
So if we're eating in at home, there's some healthy options too.
Right, absolutely. It's about adding that nutrition into those meals that your family already loves. This is Catelli's Protein Plus pasta. It has 17 grams of protein per serving. It's made from chickpeas, peas, and lentils, and it cooks and tastes just like regular pasta, so your kids won't notice a difference. It's about adding that meaningful nutrition into the meals that your family already loves, like, butter and cheese pasta. If you're my toddler, he loves that stuff. Look at him, little helping me cook.
Is he helping you out? Nice.
Very excited about it. And it's just about getting that nutrition in, your kids won't notice, and enjoying those family favorite meals. You can visit catelli.ca for where to buy it, and they're coming out with more shapes soon, including rigatoni, rotini, and spaghettini.
Nice. Protein is so huge, right? We need more protein in our
We
diet.
need more. We need more every day.
And getting the kids involved early is huge, because they'll help later on, right?
Right,
when they get older.
And if they help cook it, they're more likely to help you.
Absolutely, because they know it's going to be good because they did it.
Right.
All right, so if we want to unwind on a weekend but not go overboard, you have some stuff for us too.
Yes, absolutely. A lot of us are leaning into more moderation when it comes to drinking, choosing balance over all or nothing. So that's where the Jackson Triggs 0% and light wines come in. Taste still matters, and these are award-winning flavors that Canadians already know and love, but they've just been reimagined so that you can enjoy it in more occasions, whether unwinding after work, maybe hosting friends, or maybe you're just choosing to not drink alcohol. They've got 0% Sauvignon Blanc, 0% Rosé. In Ontario only, they have light Rosé. There's also light Pinot Grigio and light Cabernet Sauvignon. So
something for everyone.
Exactly, something for everyone. They actually taste great, and it's just about the modern drinking movement.
We've seen 0% beer kind of take off years ago, so this is like the new thing, right?
Exactly.
Wow, okay. I'm going to get back to organizing because I have some organizing to do. Is your tip to start with one drawer or maybe like one section of the kitchen?
I mean, I say go for that junk drawer first. It's the one that's the craziest.
Everyone's got one.
Everyone has one, and just getting that organized will help you feel good and kind of get you on the ball for the rest of the year.
And Post-it notes a key just to say what you want to keep or not?
Of course. I love these in all different colors, different sizes. Great to have around.
Okay, what is your hot take here in terms of your favorite item?
Okay, well, it's all about making better choices for yourself and, having those great choices that'll carry you through the entire year.
Get the kids involved in the kitchen.
That too.
Organize the kitchen or family room or bedroom or wherever.
And make better choices.
And make better choices.
You're eating on the go.
That is tremendous. Awesome tips. Denise, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you so much, Rick. Thank you.
And thank you for watching Morning Live. All the links to Denise's socials and website on our website, chch.com/morninglive. Yeah, get the kids in the kitchen.